Hello, today is going to be a short video because today we're going to only um, regulate our clutch pedal. It's quite easy job. Things we need to have is 12 mm wrench and 10 mm, but second one is not as important as 12 mm. I'm going to show you what is going to regulate, what we are going to regulate, because it's only a nut and threading that is going from our pedal to piston that is pushing brake fluid into clutch. And I have also a light, but it is not needed. So first thing is we need a little space, so taking wheel maximum up is quite important. Pushing seat backwards is also very useful. And now maybe at first some theory, because why I'm going to regulate it. This is free movement. From this position I'm starting to push piston that is in. There is few things that will cause that. I have given clutch disc to be regenerated, so it is having some mileage and I think it is thinner, because when you push in a clutch it is going to push itself in and from driving. So I'm trying to show you. This is backside. Here we have our clutch pedal, and I don't know if it's seen, but upper here we have our mounting bracket, and the thing I'm lighting, it is piston. That blue thing, it is bracket of our clutch. Here. So I stopped the frame to explain it a little better. Here we have shaft that is going into our master cylinder over here. Here we have a nut on 20mm wrench that is actually locking our regulation mechanism, and all shaft is screwed and unscrewed from our pedal in here by 10mm wrench on here, but you can actually do this by hand mostly. Here we have our bolt and nut to regulate, and piston that is pushing. As we see, maybe this is free movement, and now I am starting to push it a little more. And from different perspective, I am going to block light, but here we have our nut that it needs to be loosened, and now we can just unscrew it until we hit our clutch, and then give it 1.5 turns. Now we need to just push it and snag it. This is all it's needed to properly. Pretty easy job. What I forgot to mention, and it is a very special thing in this car, the bracket that is blue can be broken. Mine broke, so it is blue because of that. I just welded it together and then just painted it for not to rust. It is not welded, it is spot welded, just in two places, in four spots around all of the piston, and it breaks off. So properly welding it together, and yeah, now it works. It was all of it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you like content from Mazda RX-8, in future it will be other cars as well, and not only cars, consider subscribing.